Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming exactly where Safesearch is locked and why. Sign into the Google account, then open search settings to see if Safesearch is enforced. If not there, check router parental controls and the device's content restrictions. Once you identify the source, make the first change, toggle the Safesearch switch, or remove the filter profile. Make sure to save settings and then restart the browser and device to ensure the override takes effect. Next, remove the controls enforcing the filter. On Google, turn off Safesearch in search settings and sign out to test. On the router, log into the admin panel, look for DNS, open DNS, or parental filtering, disable those entries or restore default DNS. On the device, remove supervision profiles or adjust screen time and content restriction policies. Once done, clear browser cache and DNS cache to avoid cached redirects. Then reopen the search to confirm results are unfiltered. Finally, confirm the fix by testing searches in multiple browsers, incognito mode, and on a different network. This isolates whether the issue is device, account, or network-based. If Safesearch remains locked, remove and re-add the Google account or reset the router to factory defaults and reconfigure. Make sure DNS isn't pointing to a filter. Switch to 8 or another known resolver. If problems persist, reboot everything once more. Then recheck settings. That often clears lingering enforcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.